good. That's good. That's
All
good.
right.
All right.
Making progress now.
Mm-hmm. And then if y'all move or anything, just take some putty, put over the screw, and that's it. And you're good to go. Okay. Ready?
You just put it in my toy thing. You just put it in my toy thing.
Huh?
You just put it to my toy thing. You just put it and then play with. I just put it.
That wood there. Just bring that wood. Yeah. Straight, yeah. That's good. Holding that wood.
Yep.
Cracking. Okay. There you go.
All right.
And then we just take if you got some more screws somewhere. Let's see. Is that one there? Oh, okay.
Huh.
Yeah, right there. Put it right there, huh? Let me see if I got one over here. Put it right here. Okay, put it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there's good. Now we good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Right here is good. Maybe I should drill a little hole to get started. Maybe not. I don't think I'll be all right with this. I heard you beep. What's one here? Okay.
Hello?
It was beeping. Now it's not.
This thing is weird. Huh? Maybe I gotta hold it. I don't know if I gotta hold it or what.
Yeah, I'll still be.
Yeah, we gotta hold
Right
it up
there.
Right there.
So,
So in there.
okay. Come say hi to Uncle Steve.
It's like it's right in line with the other one.
You
Yeah.
hear me?
My boss give me it's a little partial. It's partial there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm gonna get back over this way with it. Yeah. Right in line with the other one, huh?
Yeah.
Let me go over there. I want to see what's going on
Yes,
here.
a little bit of time. I think that's what it usually takes. Quiet talking.
Come on, that's not one out here.
Just spread it out. But just.
Probably every 2 feet, every feet. I forgot what the code is.
Yeah, I thought it was every 2. I think it's every 2
Every 2 feet,
feet.
something like that?
Yeah. I think so.
I can touch this because wow.
Oh.
Go. See me. Oh.
That's right.
Spooky, you are a spooky. You are a spooky. You are a spooky. You are a spooky.
It's grabbing.
Yeah, now it's grabbing. Yeah, now it's grabbing. I thought it was gonna be too short.
Yeah.
Let's grab it. Grab it now. Yeah, grab it now.
Just made it.
Just like it.
Bubbles. I can do it more.
Yeah, I think it's up there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It's gonna be the same thing.
Same thing. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't have no more real estate on this side at all.
Yeah.
That would have been nice for the top one too.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't like the real long ones. Then we just put these in.
I think it's freaking ridiculous.
Because even the one I put in sheet, they wasn't that long.
Yeah.
It wasn't that big. There was a screwdriver thing like these. They're about this size, maybe a little longer.
Yeah.
I guess they different brackets come with different stuff. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hit that wood. Hit that wood. There you go. There you go. Finally. Oh man. Ah, shit. Whew.
I would help.
Oh. Alright, let's go. Or not. Wrong plug. Oh man. There we go. That's all this saw does. Like that, you can do the floor man.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.